An international team of researchers, including some at Children's Mercy in Kansas City, are getting a big grant to investigate a devastating childhood disease.
Yeah, Fox 4's Reagan Porter talks with a mom about how much these millions of dollars going to research mean to families who have little ones facing a life or death diagnosis. She's outside Children's Mercy Research Institute off Gillum in Kansas City, Missouri.
It's a $3.1 million grant. Children's Mercy researchers will study a deadly childhood disease. One mom whose child has the disease says this brings hope.
It'll be a lifeline for so many families.
This is Connor Finn. At 4 years old, he was diagnosed with childhood cerebral adrenoleukodystrophy. Leukodystrophy is a rare genetic disorder that affects 1 in 5,000 children, causing progressive loss of neurological function. Mom Kirsten Finn says it was by chance they caught it.
When a child starts to develop cerebral disease, there's a very narrow window for transplant. And so if they miss that window for transplant, lose their sight, their hearing, their ability to eat, walk, communicate until they fall into a vegetative state and die.
During the pandemic, Finn's family moved from Canada to the U.S. Connor had a cord blood transplant. It halted the progression of the disease.
When Connor was diagnosed, I don't think I've ever been more terrified in my entire life. And our family was extraordinarily fortunate.
The National Institutes of Health awarded the grant. Dr. Tomi Pasanen says it will extend the genomic tools developed at Children's Mercy to understand the unsolved leukodystrophies. He says there are more than 60 forms of leukodystrophy. Some can be treated, others have experimental therapies available.
Knowing exactly what type of leukodystrophy the patient has can be a difference between life and death.
He says part of this research goes beyond sequencing the genome and naming the disease.
It actually takes the patient's cells and tries to understand the mechanism of disease, and that sets us into a path towards developing new therapies.
Connor has a lesion on his brain and still deals with some processing, auditory, and visual challenges, as well as the adrenal insufficiency. But Mom says Connor's a happy third grader, and they're excited about the research to come for families. Dr. Pasanen is set to speak at the Rare Advocacy Summit here in Kansas City at the Lowe's Hotel about more on his research. Reagan Porter, Fox 4, working for you.